This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Llee. Llee is the ransomware, which is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. Llee ransomware encrypts the files, and then after the encryption procedure is successfully accomplished, it adds a special Llee extension to the files, so it's not possible to use the files anymore. The intrusion of this ransomware into the system is the result of poor protection of the computer by the existing security software. So people restart their computers or turn their computers on someday and suddenly realize that something bad has occurred with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware has encrypted these files. So whenever you try to open the specific file, this is the message you see: Windows can't open this type of file with the Llee extension. The same happens whenever you try to open any other file. Well, the ransomware demands from its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration, which is $980. The ransom note also indicates that if people pay the ransom within 72 hours, they get a 50% discount. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery, so don't ever pay that ransom. We recommend you to do the following. First of all, access the task manager, look for suspicious processes like this one with a long and random name. Right-click on it and end its task. This can help you stop the further file damage and encryption. I also recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus can be found on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is obviously crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, it will begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying the majority of threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and of course ransomware. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add certain folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scanning, you would see the summary of threats revealed during the scan. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to Premium to remove all of them automatically.